In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a team member as a collaborator to a JotForm. This process is incredibly straightforward and will make it much easier for you and your colleagues to work together efficiently on form creation and management. First, you'll want to navigate to the JotForm dashboard and open the specific form you wish to share. To do this, locate your form in the list and click on it. Once you click your form, the form builder will open, providing you with a range of editing tools and options to customize your form to suit your needs. As you get into the form builder, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here you'll spot various options that allow you to perform different actions related to your form. The option we're interested in for today is the Share button. Go ahead and click it. Now that you have clicked on the Share button, a panel will pop up with a variety of sharing options available to you. Within this panel, you want to focus on the section that says Collaborate or Add Collaborators. This feature is specifically designed to enable collaboration, allowing others to access and edit the form in real time, just like you. This is particularly helpful if you're working on large-scale projects or need input from several people to create a truly effective and engaging form. Once you locate the Collaborate section, the next step is to share this collaborative link with the team member or members you want to add to your form. The great thing about JotForm is that it makes sending invitations quite simple and efficient. You can directly send an email to your prospective collaborators from this panel. Simply input their email addresses in the designated area and send off that invitation. As a bonus tip, when sending these invitations, it might be a good idea to include a brief message explaining what you'd like them to do, or letting them know the form is ready for their input. This additional context can help speed up the collaboration process and ensure everyone is on the same page. So to recap, we've gone through the steps to unlock seamless team collaboration in JotForm. We've started by opening the form in the form builder, clicking on the Share button, selecting the Collaborate option, and then sending an invitation email to our team members. By doing this, you've allowed anyone with the collaboration link to jump in and start working alongside you, making it a breeze to manage and tweak your form collectively. Thank you for watching, and I hope you now feel confident about adding collaborators to your JotForm. Keep this process in mind whenever you need to bring your team on board quickly and efficiently. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials and have a great day making your form shine.